Stay tuned to find out how I created these dip nails. So I'm starting off with my bare nails. I don't have anything on them, and I'm going to basically file them down using this electric file. I got this from Walmart for I think about $9.99, and it comes with several different attachments, which is really nice. I switched to the metal attachment just to get a little bit more of a deeper clean off of the nails. Next, I'm going to use the cuticle clipper and very lightly go in and clip my cuticles. You just want to clean up all of the excess skin. Now I'm just going to use this 7-step file block to go over all of my nails, and then I'm going to clean them up using this acetone. Just wet a cotton ball and then go over each nail. And this just removes any extra residue that you may have on your nails. Before you add the false nails, you do want to go back in and kind of scrape up your nails a little bit, because the rougher they are, the better the nails adhere. I've gone ahead and already picked out and sized my nails. I kind of know which size works best for my fingers because I've done this several times before. And I'm going to use this Kiss brush on nail glue to just add glue to the tip of my finger nail, and then also to the back of the faux nail, and then adhere it to my nail that way, pressing it down for a little bit to make sure that it sticks. And you're just going to repeat this process for all 10 of the faux nails to adhere them to your natural nails. So this just shows you again, I'm adding a little bit using the brush on glue, and then adding the glue to the back of the fake nail and pressing and holding. Give it some time, because the longer you hold, the better seal you'll have between the two nails. Once you get all of your nails attached, you'll just want to go through and clip the nails down to whatever size you prefer them to be. I'm using this Kiss nail clipper, and if you want just like a slight curve to them, it works perfectly. But I'm going to also be using a regular nail file or nail cutter, and I'm trying to give them more of a pointed shape. Now, unfortunately, I lost this pointed shape once I went in and added my powder, so that's something I'm gonna have to work on going forward. And then of course you want to file to shape the nails as close to how you want them to be. Next, you're going to use an alcohol swab just to clean up any excess dust off of the nails from the filing that you've done. And now you're going to start to add your dip powder to your nail. You're just going to brush glue over the entire nail, and then you'll simply dip the entire nail into the acrylic powder. This process you're going to repeat several times, taking your time, making sure that you coat the entire nail and making sure you build up your layers. This is what your nails are going to look like once you finish adding the layers of your dip powder. Next, you're going to go in using either your electric file or your manual file and smooth down the surface of the nails. This will just help for your next step when you decorate, so that it goes on smoothly. Now, this is what your nails are going to look like once you've added all your powder, filed them down, and wiped them off with another alcohol swab. And at this point, decorations are up to you. I did not film me actually painting my nails because I didn't want this video to go on too long, but I am going to come back in and show you what the nails look like after I finish decorating them. These are some of the things that I had on hand that I thought I was going to use. I did not end up using everything, and I could not figure out how to use the gold foil, but decorations for your nails are up to you. And here is what the final set of my DIY dip nails came out to look like. I am a big fan of the sparkly nail polish. The green, not so much, so I will probably end up redoing that nail and removing off those little crystals and doing a color that I like better. I also need to work on like cleaning up around the edges, just little technical things that to me I notice from afar. You don't really notice it, but me looking at my nails every day, I'm very critical. But other than that, overall, I really like how they came out. What colors would you use? Leave me a note down below. Thank you guys for joining me for another video this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I am a extreme novice when it comes to doing my own nails, and I still have so much to learn when it comes to doing them, but it's just a quick, simple, easy way, especially if where you are things are still on lockdown and you want your nails to look 10 times better. So make sure you guys keep following me every Tuesday for new videos. Thank you for supporting me and clicking that subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn on the bell for notifications, like the video, and share it with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.